All right, let's talk about sweeps. So sweeps are a really versatile and fun footwork move that we can do to kind of spice up our footwork when we're in the front, and they also lead to some other cool kind of more advanced moves that we'll play with in the coming weeks. So starting our sweep, super simple. We're gonna take one hand, let's take our left hand to the floor, and we're gonna shoot our right foot straight out. From here, we're gonna pull this right foot around and kind of draw a circle in front as we're reaching over the top to change our hands. Yeah, so kind of just like if we were doing our wrap switches, yeah, but we're even more out to the side. So we go around here, and now instead of doing a wrap here, we're just gonna jump up and we're gonna shoot the other foot out. Yeah, so it's gonna come around, shoot out, around, shoot out. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, and as you start getting a little bit better at this, you can start to float even more on your hand. So really supporting the weight in this hand to change, to change. Boom, 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 boom. So these are sweeps. They're also known as monkey swings in some places. And the idea is you're sweeping or swinging from side to side. So I swing, boom, boom, boom. And making sure that your hips are shooting up and up. So watch my hips. As I do it, my hips shoot up, 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 up. Yeah, from the back, one time. Up, 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 up. Cool, so those are our sweeps or monkey swings. Excited to use those in some more advanced concepts coming soon.